Tropic, whoever came up with this formula, they need a raise. Oh, that's really nice. Hi guys, so I got a package recently sent to my mom's house, so I went to collect it, and because I know who this package is from, I don't know what the package is, but I figured we could unbox together. So this is from Tropic, by the way, and they sent me some stuff. Oh yes, I opened it up upside down. Melt away the day. Wait, shit. So the funny thing is, well, it's not really funny, but an interesting fact is that I am part of the Tropic creator community, so they will sometimes send me products every now and again. I've talked about this on this channel a load of times, and I'm also subscribed to their email mailing list because I like to see what brands are doing. Even when you're part of like a, I don't know, like a PR list, it's still nice to follow the brand privately to see what stuff they're working on, to see what their marketing stuff looks like. It also gives you like a feel of the brand from a customer's perspective, which I really enjoy. So I say all that to say, as I am subscribed to the actual marketing emails separately, I have been seeing that they've been coming out with a couple of new products here and there. So I'm like 80% sure I know what this is because I did see that they came out with a cleansing balm. So let's take this off. Just gonna open it. Ooh, your invitation awaits. Renewing cleanser, ceramide cleansing butter. Wow. This is obviously a bit of me. Oh, and they've given me a new bamboo face cloth. Anyway, I love my cleansers. I love a gel cleanser, a foam cleanser, and a cleansing balm, cleansing oil, hybrid. Love, 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 love. So I am super excited about this. Ooh. Also, can we take a moment to talk about the packaging? One thing that Tropic does really well is their packaging, like the colors of their packaging. Love, like absolutely obsessed. And I love that this is like red and gold. So I've got a cleansing balm, and then they've also shared a skincare spatula. But if you know me, I will just use my hands for everything and anything. I'm not really like an apparatus kind of gal, but I will give this a try. Look how cute this is. It's even come in a cute little sachet with a little Tropic on the bottom. Super cute. Ooh, it's got some weight to it. Stop, that is so cute, and it's gold as well. It matches the top. Doesn't smell of anything. Oh, I thought this was like a hygiene shields. I thought that was what this was, but look how flat that is. That is stunning, and it's pink, my favorite color. I am obsessed. That is nice. I know I'm going to enjoy using this. So what do they say? So this is a comforting cleansing melt that effortlessly dissolves makeup and impurities, while a blend of luxurious butters and biolipids visibly plumps and rejuvenates the skin. I am so lucky. I think one thing that I've really realized over the years is that I am just so incredibly lucky, and I love that for me. Really do love that for me. So let me have a quick look at the mailer that they sent. That's so cute. This is a renewing cleanser, ceramide cleansing butter. This year we invite you to ditch the ambitious New Year's resolutions and embrace slow skincare, the antidote to our busy modern lives. Yes. So this new cleansing butter is engineered for results but crafted for self-care. So like I said, it will dissolve makeup and impurities, melts away the day, and it will also strengthen, smooth, and restore the skin, which is really great. I don't really have many issues with my skin barrier these days, thank God. But as someone who is always one skincare product away from doing something crazy to their skin, I think a product like this is just what I need. And this has rose otto, one of the rarest and most precious essential oils in the world, aka the oil of love. Listen. This has a harmonizing, uplifting effect on the nervous system, alleviating feelings of stress and anxiety. Stop. I am so into this. So this has rose otto and a coconut scent, and they say that this is especially supportive for aging, premenopausal and menopausal skin. I am into this. I think especially as someone who, I don't have anxiety, but I get stressed fairly often, and I can also get quite anxious fairly often. So I think something like this is just what the doctor ordered, you know, just an excuse to really take a moment and indulge and just take your time. I am so into this, and I cannot wait to use this. I've just come back from French, so let's take off my makeup that I've had on today. Today we're going to be using the new Tropic Renewing Cleanser Ceramide Cleansing Butter to take off all of my makeup. I'm going to be using it for the very first time, so let's get into it. It doesn't really smell of anything. From what I remember, this does have coconut and rose otto in it, I think. Oh, that is satisfying now. Oh, this is very like oily. Kind of feels like candle wax kind of. Oh, that's really nice. That smells so good. The craziest thing about this oil cleanser is that you can't really smell it when you're just smelling it out of the container, but the moment you massage it in your hands and apply it to your face, you can really smell it. Oh, that's really nice. Wow. Okay, so all of my makeup has just come off. Nice. And et voila! Skincare is done. Nice glowy skin. So it's now been just over a month that I've been using this Tropic Renewing Cleanser, and I love it so much. I honestly think it's on par with the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. Like, that is how much I love it. It's so good. I think it really does remind me of the cherry version, just because it's red, but it also does have quite a sweet, like, warming smell. But anyway, I love this cleansing balm. It is so good. It takes off your makeup so easily. Honestly, it's such a dream. Just smelling it now, I'm like, oh, that's amazing. They were not kidding when they said that this is a very relaxing cleansing balm, and it really does feel like you are in a spa. It really does just allow you to take that time to just relax, be where your feet are, and just embrace a cleansing routine. Now, you guys know I love cleansing my face, and I will always love cleansing my face. I love cleansing balms, cleansing oils. I love the whole shebang, so maybe it might not mean that much coming from someone like me, but this is so nice. If you are looking for an indulgent cleansing balm, it's something that just feels really good on the skin, makes your face feel super soft, takes off all of your makeup, which is obviously the most important part, a bit of a stress relief, you really cannot go wrong with this. I really didn't know what to expect with this cleansing balm, but it has really exceeded all expectations, and I think for it to make me want to rank it as high as an Elemis cleanser, I think that just tells me anyway all that I need to know about it, which is it is amazing. This is a 100ml size. I don't know if they have smaller sizes. Looking at their website, I don't think they do. I think this is just their only size, but this 100ml tube, bottle, tub, I don't know what to call it, and like I said, I've been using this for just over a month, and I'm not even like halfway through. Like, there is a lot of product in here. This is just lasting and lasting and lasting. So I've been using this as my first cleanse to take off all of my makeup, which it does a great job of that, and then I will use the Augustinus Bader foaming cleanser as like a double cleanse, just to make sure that I get off all of like the oil and stuff off my face, and that has been a really lovely combination. I do want to try this though with their, I can't remember the name of it, it's like their cleansing jelly. I really want to try this with that cleanser just to see how that would work, because I've not actually used this with a gel cleanser before, but it doesn't matter, it's really good. One thing that I really do love about this cleansing balm is that when I put it on my face, I can open my eyes. When I am cleansing my face, I don't like to open my eyes because I never want anything to get into my eyes, but when I rub this over my eyes, like, I can open my eyes and my eyes don't sting, my eyes don't feel like fuzzy or anything like that, which is crazy to me and very shocking, but I love it because sometimes you forget something in the middle of washing your face and you won't be able to see where you're going. So yeah, I really like that this doesn't like sting my eyes or block my eyes. I can open my eyes with this. I just love how it takes off my makeup just so easily, so well. Like, really is such a good cleansing balm, and I think if you like Tropic products, you're gonna love this. If you've been wanting to try out Tropic but you're not really sure like what product to try, I think this could be a really good product to start with because it's really lovely. Smells nice, very like relaxing, and it's just what you want to be using at the end of a long day of makeup wearing. I put on my makeup at like 5 AM and I didn't take off my makeup till about 10 PM, and so being able to remove all of the day from my face after what, like 10 plus 12 plus hours of being on the go, being on public transport, being out in the city, and just like the tiredness of the day, being able to cleanse my face was just such a relief. And there's really no better feeling than cleansing your face, especially when you're cleansing it with something that just feels so good and so relaxing and so nice on the skin. The texture of this is really interesting to me also, side note, because I think one of the things that makes this so relaxing and so lovely on the skin is that, yes, it is a balm. It's a balm texture, it's a balm product obviously, but when you massage it between your hands and you warm it up between your hands and then you put it on your face, it's like it melts into like a candle wax or something. Like, it's so weird. Like, I don't think I've used a cleansing balm that melts down in the hand quite like it, and it literally feels like you're then massaging your face with warm oil, and it's so nice. Again, when you've spent the whole day outside of the home and it's been stressful, even if you've not felt like physically stressed, but just like the stresses of the day and the pollution and the rest of it, being able to give yourself like a 5-minute, 2-minute, even like 1-minute facial massage, oil facial massage, is just absolutely game-changing. And I think Tropic, whoever came up with this formula, they need a raise. They really do. This is amazing. Love, 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 love this. This is £52, 400 mils. I will have this linked down below in my description box in case you want to find out any more information about this cleansing balm. You'll definitely be seeing this cleansing balm in maybe like 1 or 2 of my upcoming videos because I've been using it and talking about it. But yeah, love this cleansing balm so much. It's so good. If you have tried this cleansing balm, please do comment down below and let me know what your thoughts on it have been. Like, do you love it as much as I love it? Do you find it really relaxing? Like, what is your take on it? I'd love to know. So that is all for me today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and in the meantime, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.